Now that you are here before the tribunal, what's your assessment of the meeting up until now? Depending on your defense on Wednesday.
Where is Tayo? Okay. Well, you know that whatever I say will be sub judice. Matter is in court, so I will make no comments about the proceedings that I've come to see today. And I am the primary beneficiary if finally the tribunal takes a decision, and otherwise. So for now, I just want to state that I have confidence in the judiciary and that I know that that is the last hope of the common man, and I know that they will give justice. So we have confidence in the Nigerian judicial system, we have confidence in the tribunal, we have confidence in the Court of Appeal, we have confidence in the Supreme Court. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Sir, I want to see you. You know, obviously, about this week.
Okay.
Coming from last week,
Yes.
that we had a little back and forth.
Yeah.
Now we're here today. Exactly what transpired.
Well, today, the motion brought by the petitioners, Sylva, Timipre, and APC. Remember that they had earlier written to the Court of Appeal President asking for disbandment of the panel which petition failed. And notwithstanding that, they now brought another motion. And these are petitioners who should want this matter to end expeditiously. But they brought another motion asking for the tribunal to recuse itself. So that motion was effectively argued today and it was dismissed as lacking in merit. So we'll continue with our defense as we already are prepared for that.
How many witnesses do you have to tender?
Well, we have where we do, but because of strategy, we may not reveal how many we intend to call. But on that day, we'll start off and you'll see as we progress. Thank you.
Well, please, you will permit me, I will be reluctant to say some things. Recently, the former Supreme Court Justice admonished lawyers that one's matter is in court. Of course, we should all know that, by virtue of our rules of professional conduct, lawyers are not, expected to, divulge or argue cases that are already pending in court. However, I just want to state that the application just, taken today was to the fact that the petitioners, which is our client, they are not satisfied with the record of the proceeding, and that's why they filed the application.
So what's the state of the application?
No, because the tribunal, in its wisdom, decided that having received directive from the Court of Appeal, there was no need, the application has become, it has been overtaken by events. That's just the summary of the bench ruling. So even though we canvass arguments from both sides, the tribunal was of the view that the Court of Appeal haven't given directive. There was no point, that's the implication of the hearing. There's no point going to the merit of the application because the application has been overtaken by events. That's the summary of what happened.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.